Today, or better say yesterday, Samsung announced their new line of Galaxy phones, including the S10e, which stands for not economics, I think it stands for expression or expressive, and then the S10, which is the middle phone, and the S10 Plus, which is the high end. However, they also presented the first foldable phone, which is called Samsung Galaxy Fold or Samsung Fold, and it has a clamshell design which can be opened, revealing a 7.3-inch display. The S10e version of the Galaxy is a direct competitor of the iPhone XR. It's the cheapest of the 4 new models and is aimed at the customers who don't need the most advanced features of the S10 and S10 Plus. The differences between the 10e and the S10 is that the 10e doesn't have the ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, but instead has a fingerprint reader on the power button. The S10 Plus apparently has a very bright AMOLED display, which also reduces the blue light by over 30% compared to the prior generation AMOLED screens. Furthermore, the S10 Plus has a triple lens setup, which includes a normal lens, the tele lens, and an ultra wide lens, which enables the user to make a picture at the same angle that we use to see through our eyes. So what you see is what you get on the ultra wide lens configuration. Thanks to the new power share feature, the new Galaxy will be able to reverse charge other Qi enabled devices such as other phones from the prior Galaxy line, as well as the new EarPod wireless headphones. The Galaxy S10 also features an improved optical and software camera stabilization that supposedly rivals action cameras. A Samsung optimized version of Adobe's mobile video editing software Rush Premiere will be available for the new Galaxy line. The S10 Plus will also be available with a ceramic case instead of glass. Pre-order starts today, and the S10 series will be available beginning March 7 at the stores. Included with a pre-order are the new wireless earphones with the S10e, a 32-inch smart TV with the S10, and a Galaxy smartwatch with the S10 Plus. The Galaxy Fold will be available in May.